This is Guy McPherson from Nature Bats Last. I was touring, so I did not update my long essay, the Climate Change Summary and Update, for an entire month. The following tidbits were added March 26th and 27th, 2015. We have an explicit admission that the process of science underestimates climate change. Consider, for example, information derived from satellites, which, according to a March 2015 paper in Journal of Climate, significantly underestimate temperature of the middle troposphere. Quote, "In short, the Earth is warming, the warming is amplified in the troposphere, and those who claim otherwise are unlikely to be correct." End quote. That said, the Daily Cause does a fine job summarizing evidence indicating abrupt climate change on March 14, 2015, with an article headlined, "The Earth is Set for Rapid Warming." Thanks to New Zealand's Robin Westenra for digging up a video about methane release from beneath the Arctic Ocean. The video dates to 2007 and was aired by MSNBC. Apparently, they knew about the Clath rate gun 8 years ago, although you'd never know it from contemporary coverage at MSNBC or any other mainstream source. According to research reported in the March 26, 2015 issue of Science about ice near Earth's southern pole, quote, "West Antarctic losses increased by 70% in the last decade, and earlier volume gain by East Antarctic ice shelves ceased." End quote. In other words, awareness is growing that Antarctic ice is melting away, following the lead of ice in the Arctic. The March 16, 2015 issue of Nature Geoscience adds to the misery and identifies melting from below Antarctica's Totten Glacier. Catching up to one of the self-reinforcing feedback loops I reported more than 2 years ago, a paper in the March 19, 2015 issue of Nature reports, quote, "The observed decline of the Amazon sink diverges markedly from the recent increase in terrestrial carbon uptake at the global scale and is contrary to expectations based on models." In other words, the lungs of the planet, the Amazon basin, teeters on the brink. The sink is going away. That is the carbon sink. This is contrary to expectations based on models. The models are wrong. In other words, the lungs of the planet are going away. Finally, Robert Scribbler refers to the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or Gulf Stream, as the heartbeat of the world ocean system. As reported in the March 23, 2015 online issue of Climatic Change, the slowing of the Gulf Stream is, quote, "exceptional," and is tied to melting ice in Greenland. This 20th century slowdown apparently is unique, at least within the last 1,000 years. Many more tidbits came my way within the last month. These are the highlights, or maybe the lowlights. In any event, these 7 bits of information seemed worthy of mention, at least to me. Catch links to each of these items on my long, often updated essay at Nature Bats Last. It's titled Climate Change Summary and Update.